So here at the Sports Factory, we have probably the best in this area when it comes to combine training. We have Coach Q, Qadry Ismail, is working with some of our athletes on their 40 start. One of the big things with the laser is you got to know how to put your hand on that laser start, because when you lift that hand up, your time is moving. And then, you know, like, again, I spoke earlier about the laser being a very effective way and an accurate way of measuring our athlete's speed.
So guys, obviously from a 40-yard dash standpoint, we're trying to run as efficiently as we can possibly run. What does that mean? We're going from the start to the finish in a straighter line and with as fewest amount of strides as we can possibly get. The first 10 yards in a 40 is its most critical. You can shave down valuable tenths of a second if you have a great start. So that's what I kind of want to go over today with you, all right? So from a start aspect of things, you got to figure out, okay, what foot goes forward? For me, a quick and easy way to figure out what foot goes forward without thinking, I'm just going to fall forward. I know that since my right foot went forward, my right foot is going to go back. I'm trying to go ahead and feel like I am literally a missile, and I am in a silo, and I'm trying to explode out to get down the runway so I can have the fastest 40 time ever known, recorded to man. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my left toe on the line. My right toe is going to go to my left heel. I'm going to kick out my left or right toe away from my left heel. This is going to be my stance. So my toe, boom, here, here. I want to feel like I'm crunching down in my missile silo so I can explode out, right? So I'm going to come forward, and coming forward now, I'm going to press back in. My left hand, and since we have a laser timer, I can put my hand down here. And now I'm ready, I'm cocked and I'm loaded, ready to go. And now it's exploding out. Let me give you one tip that will live forever. When we're down here, your brain doesn't want to have 1,001 thoughts. You want to have one phrase or one powerful thought in your mind.
The reason we use laser is a very accurate time. Avery, on one of his first runs, just ran a 4.6 laser.